Gamma AI presentation. In this video, we are going to be talking about an incredible presentation software known as Gamma AI, and we are going to use it to create one of the greatest looking presentations that we can scour up using AI. You can create unlimited presentations, websites, and much more in the matter of seconds. Everything that you're going to need to quickly create and refine content with advanced AI while also meeting your AI powered design partner and building and sharing dynamic content effortlessly. Now, to start yourself off, you're simply going to go to try it for free. And over here, what you're going to do is you're going to be adding in your email. Now, once you add in your email, you can either go ahead and try that for free, or what you can do is you can continue with your Google account if you have one. The more preferred way would be using your Google account because that would be the better and much more easier way to sign yourself in. So I'm going to be using my Gmail, click on continue. And once we do all of that, it's going to take us straight into the main section of Gamma app. Now, once we're over here, to start creating presentations for yourself, what you're going to do is first you're going to onboard yourself. So what kind of work do you do? Let's go with design. What do you plan to do with Gamma? Create presentations from scratch, turn my notes into presentations, enhance existing PowerPoints if you want to, build a website, and create social media assets. Now, once we do all of that, how did you hear about us? Let's go with YouTube and click on it. Now, once all of that is done, here it says create with AI. How would you like to get started? Now, you can either paste in text where you can create notes and outline or existing content. And then there's generate where you can generate a whole presentation with a one line prompt. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on continue and we have three options. You have presentation, which basically makes presentations for you, which is what we're here for. You have web page, which you can use to create a website, and then you have documents. So I'm going to go over to presentation. You're going to choose how many slides you want. So let's go with 5 slides for now. Let's go with traditional look and the language should be English. Let's go ahead and describe what I'd like to make. So I'm going to go with presentation on the, let's go with wonders of the wonders of the world, and how they were created. Okay, so we're going to do that and click on generate outline. So it's a decent topic to create a presentation from. Now it gives you the outline. So we have wonders of the world, nature marvels, ancient architectural masterpieces, mysteries, and awe-inspiring story of human achievement. Now you can add your very own cards if you want to, but I feel like this is for the best. Now it says amount of text per card. Let's go with medium, which is good. Source. Now you can give it the source. It could be AI images, it could be illustrations, animated GIFs, or stock photos that they can use for free resolutions. Now, let's go with stock photos because it's a more interesting thing to go ahead with. Right for, let's go with college students. Tone, let's go with conversational. And once we've done all of that, let's go ahead and continue. Now, once you click on continue, what it's going to do from here is it's going to give you a preview of the theme you're choosing. Okay, so here's your theme. So we have Seafoam, we have Lux, and it goes on because we have a lot of great previews for ourselves. So let's go with Gamma Dark because this looks pretty cool. I personally like this one a lot as well. So you can go with that, or you can even go with something like this, something pretty minimalistic and funky looking. It all depends on whatever you want. So, whenever you choose the proper design for yourself, simply click on continue from there. So I'm going to go with Gamma Dark and finally click on generate. Now, once you click on generate, its job is to go ahead and process and create the best looking presentation that it can find for you. And once it's done, obviously, as you can see, it's going to take you straight over here where it's generating everything per slide. So Wonders of the World, that's our first slide. Then this is our second slide, Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, Uluru, and it goes on and on. So, how incredible all of this is. AI has created one of the best looking things for us. So we have the image of Great Wall of China, the Stonehenge image, and we have space travel and a whole lot more. So yeah, that is the main idea of Gamma AI and how you can use this incredible software for yourself. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.